Hello and welcome to Frightfully Forgotten Brews, and today we are featuring Night of the Comet IPA.
Nice.
It is a Comet hop smash using 100% Red X Malt. And the reason being, well, in Night of the Comet, if you've seen the movie, the whole sky is like red the whole movie after this comet goes by, so hence red beer. It's an interesting beer. It's like the Red X malt makes it malty, very malty type.
So you get that
taste,
sweetness,
but the hops are kind of hoppy, so it's kind of a malty hoppy.
It's an interesting hop flavor too.
And Comet hops is not really citrusy, like a lot of like really high alpha acid hops are.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to dry hop it, and I kept smelling as it was fermenting, and I didn't get enough aroma that I wanted. So last minute, I went and bought some more Comet hops, threw it in for the last week, and I'm glad I did that actually. Cause,
Yeah, at least you get a bit more of a smell to it.
So here's the recipe, very simple. 10 pounds of Red X malt, 1 ounce of Comet at 30 minutes into the boil.
Okay.
So I didn't even hop at the beginning of the boil.
Yeah.
1 ounce of Comet hops the last 10 minutes. 1 ounce of Comet hops at turnoff, and then dry hop 1 ounce for a week.
Nice.
So it turns out to be 4.83% and 48 IBU. And I just used a plain US 05 fermentus yeast.
Really? 48 IBUs?
Yeah.
Holy shit, this must be a high alpha acid hop, this one.
Yeah, that's why I didn't hop until 30 minutes in, because would have kicked the IBUs way too high.
You'd never taste any of the stuff. It'd be way too bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think this is the first brew I've ever done where I didn't hop right at boil, where I waited 30 minutes and just hop halfway in.
Yep. Turned out great.
So, till next time,
Keep drinking.
fight off some zombies.
Mm-hmm.